Welcome back to electron configuration, everyone. We are now going to talk about how to write out the electron configuration for various elements. Keep in mind what we talked about earlier when we're reading the periodic table concerning electron configuration. You always start up here at the top left and you read it like you would read a book. Also keep in mind that each box on the periodic table is representative of one electron. So we know that hydrogen has one electron, helium has two electrons, lithium has three electrons, and then beryllium. And then you would come across, like you're reading a book, to boron, then carbon, then nitrogen. So once you get to the end here with neon, you're at the end of your sentence. You're going to come back over here to sodium to start, quote unquote, the next sentence. So let's take a look at where all the electrons are located in chlorine. Like we said, we're going to start up here at 1s. We said earlier that the s orbital can hold two electrons. So we've got 1s1, come over here across, 1s2. So we're going to write down 1s2 because that first level is now full. We've gotten to the end over here with helium. So now we're going to come across and start back with lithium. So we've got 2s1, 2s2. We're going to write down 2s2 because, again, the s orbital can only hold two electrons. We ended here at beryllium at 2s2, so let's go across to 2p. So here's 2p1, 2p2, 2p3, 2p4, 2p5, 2p6. We're here at the end, and we stated earlier that p can only hold 6. So now that we're here at the end of neon, we're going to come back over to sodium, 3s1, 3s2. The s orbital can only hold 2, so we've got 3s1, 3s2. We're going to write that down. We've come to the end of this sentence, so let's go across to 3p. So we've got 3p1, 3p2, 3p3, 3p4, 3p5. Oh, look, here we are with chlorine at 3p5. And so what we've done is write out the electron configuration of chlorine. We've shown where all of the electrons are at, what energy levels they're in, what orbitals they're in, and how many are in each orbital. Also, if you would note, if you look at the third energy level, you've got a total of 2 plus 5 would give you 7 valence electrons. And if you look where chlorine is located, it's located in group 17, and it's supposed to have 7 valence electrons, which is exactly what we have over here.